What's up, guys? This is Michael with Mad Mike's Customs. I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a quick rundown. When you're loosening this upper axle bolt, this will be closer because it'll be on the spindle. You're gonna go ahead and take the bolt off, and you're gonna use a 1 inch. 1 inch, okay? You're gonna remove the top bolt, and then with a hammer, you're gonna strike it right here. Okay, see how I cleaned the spot right there? And right here, you strike it with a hammer. This will pop off. You go up, set your spindle on top. Before that, you gotta remember, leave the axle nut on and go down here, and you're gonna strike the spindle right here on the lower part of it. And on right here, you're gonna tap it. Once the spindle drops, it'll drop downward. Bing. And then you loosen the axle nut and slowly let it down and up because it does have an ABS cord on it. And then you go ahead and set your spindle up top, set your caliper up top. To switch the lower ball joint, there are 4 18mm screws and 4 18mm nuts. The washers do go on top. And you just put 4 of them down with the washers, put a ratchet. You use an 18mm on top. Okay, and then you use an 18mm socket with an impact gun. I prefer electric, 800 pounds, a lot easier, no noise. Get her done. Okay guys, that's how you put a lower ball joint. This is a general for most GMs and all Chevys. If you have an OEM part still on here, you're gonna have rivets, and you're gonna have to use a grinder and grind the rivets and separate the ball joint by striking it on top and on bottom to open this up. When you put the nuts in, it'll close it back together. This is a 2002 Chevy Astro van, 4.3, all-wheel drive. This is how you do a lower ball joint. Same procedure on top, sockets and nuts on bottom. If it's original OEM, it'll have rivets. Always remember to put your bleeder valves on. Most important when you're doing this because you got to fill it up. Alright guys, this is Mad Mike's Customs. Y'all have a good day. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Y'all let me know, leave notes in the comments.